guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy. Okay, so here I am already logged onto my account, and as you can see at the top right, my account balance, I have $30 in Underdog Fantasy. Now I want to withdraw that $30, so along the very bottom you'll have a couple options. You have drafts, news feeds, and account. So click on account. Okay, from here you should see the third option down, the option to withdraw or to get your money out. So click on withdrawal, and here you have two withdrawal methods. You could select PayPal or Intertext. Intertext is something similar to like an e-check, I believe. So if you click there, you could type in your email address and then the amount you would like to withdraw, and then go through the process within the instructions of the email. But we're not going to go with that method today. I'm going to withdraw money from Underdog with PayPal. So I'm going to click on PayPal, and I'm going to type in my PayPal email address, and then I'm going to type in the amount of money I want to withdraw. So I'm just going to withdraw $30. I'm going to click on continue. Confirmation required. We do not recognize this email address. Please confirm it is correct. And I'm going to look at the email address again, and yes, that is my correct email for my PayPal account. I'm going to click on approve. Okay, PayPal withdrawal success. Keep an eye out for your withdrawal soon. You should see everything reflected within 2 to 3 business days. That in a nutshell is how you withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.